Hey you guys, how is everybody doing? Of course, I'm having coffee. Speaking of coffee, with this whole stay at home quarantine, I've been making a lot of coffee. One thing that really bugs me is having to throw away the coffee. After brewing my coffee, this is what I have to throw away. Believe it or not, people, this that I have here is coffee that I have been recycling, if you will. This has been brewed already. And so what I do is I'll bring my filter out of the filter cup and I let this sit overnight and air it out so that it dries. Once my coffee is dry, I basically grab my already brewed coffee into this bowl. Coffee has a ton of benefits for your body, your skin, your hair. You can use coffee and make your skin look glowy because coffee has a natural tint to it, right? Anytime we wet coffee, that water automatically turns black the minute coffee touches it. So it's got a natural tint to it that if you were to apply to your skin, it basically gives your skin that natural tan, glowy look. Let's not forget that coffee has tons of antioxidants. These antioxidants will help with removing any dead cells from your skin, and it also removes impurities. It's rich with antioxidants. Coffee will also help reduce the dark circles around your eye area if you were to use it as a facial scrub, which you can use it by itself or you can mix it with coconut oil. You can mix it with sugar and create a really nice scrub for your face, and that helps reduce some of those dark circles. It's a good exfoliator, but it's not too rough on your skin, so it's not like it's going to irritate your skin, but it does help exfoliate and remove a lot of the dead cells or dead skin or dry skin, leaving your skin very smooth and soft. Stimulates that blood flow, helping us look a little more alive and not so pale. I want to show you guys what you can do in terms of skincare with coffee. I'm going to add some coffee into this bowl. It's a clear bowl just so that you can see it. And I'm going to add a little bit of water, not too much because I do want this to be a little pasty. So I'm gonna start off slow and add my water in increments, making a paste. And so you will see, I'm gonna stand up here so that you can see. You will see that it starts to get chunky, almost muddy in there. And what we want it to look like is a scrub, not too watery. You can have just a tiny bit. It's still very chunky. All right, I am going to start applying this onto my skin. And I'm going to do this on the back of my hand. You can do this on your face as well. And this you would do all over your body. Okay, now this is to bring in that tan, that natural tan that we were talking about where your skin's gonna look super glowy. And I'm going to let that sit there for a couple of minutes. Now this you can do in your tub, you can do this in the shower and just scrub your entire body with coffee, and this will add some color to the skin, right? We're gonna compare the one to the other. As it starts to dry and I remove the coffee, now again, I would leave on for a longer period of time in the shower. But you see that? You can already see the difference in my skin tone from here to here. Now, if we were to sort of, you know, rinse it off a little bit with water, there's going to be that darkness in the skin versus no color like the other side. So you can really pick up that pigment of the coffee. And you can definitely do this the day of, let's say there's a wedding, an event that you're attending, and you want to give your body a nice natural tan. Coffee, girlfriend. Another really good ingredient that I like, and I'm going to use the same coffee that I just added some water to. I like to add coconut oil to it. And the coconut oil that I use, it's solid, right? It comes in a jar. Ooh, and it's pretty solid there, but now that it's hot, it's starting to melt. So it's not as hard as it would be in the winter time. And so I'm going to add, I have a tiny little wood spoon in there, but I'm going to say this is about a tablespoon or so. And I'm going to add some coffee to it, and we are going to mix this up with our coconut oil. And this makes another scrub, a different scrub. Now this has the coconut oil in there, so this is a good exfoliator for the face. I like to add the coconut oil when I'm going to exfoliate because it makes it a little more workable, especially on the face. And so it's going to add a little bit of creaminess to your coffee. It's not going to be so dry. And then once I have my coconut oil in there, it goes shiny and very workable. And I like to go on my skin and just rub and exfoliate. Again, you can do this in the shower. And it's going to add that tan to my skin that we were talking about, that glowiness. All around the skin. And this is what I like about this, is that it's not harmful, right? This doesn't harm our skin because it's natural. Obviously, we know that it's edible. If I can eat it, drink it, then it's not harmful. And this is going to leave my skin really soft. I'm not being harsh, I'm being gentle. And I'm going to leave this on my skin for a little while, maybe like 10 minutes or so before I rinse it off. Once I'm all done with it, I'm gonna go on my neckline. And I will show you guys what my skin looks like. I'm gonna go right under my eyes once we rinse it off. This is good for your hair too, by the way. All right, we are going to wait. All right, so we are waiting while that does its thing. Yes, I do still get Ipsy. A lot of you have asked me if I'm still doing it. Did I sign up with a different subscription? No, I'm still doing Ipsy, and honestly, I am so glad with all this recession and COVID and working, not working, you can't beat the $10 a month that you pay for Ipsy. I'm really happy with it. I haven't opened it. Actually, this is for May, so June will be coming in soon. Ooh la la, look at this beautiful brush. It's glittery and jello-y. Brushes are my thing on top of skincare. Let's see what's in there. The bag is pretty cute. I like the way it fades from yellow to pink. All right, you guys, I washed off my face. I had to split and wash it because the doorbell rang and it was my UPS guy. And I think he was frightened. It just gives your skin color, natural color. And in the pores, it'll still look kind of darkish here and there, but your skin will be nice and glowy. It doesn't feel dry or anything like that. I have a little bit of mascara under my eye, but I can feel the coconut oil on my skin. Feels really good, and my skin feels so soft. You guys have to try it. It's inexpensive, easy to do, very quick. I do recommend doing this in your shower. It's best in the shower because it can get messy anywhere else, but I really like it. It just makes a difference with your skin tone. It does look more glowy and it does add more color to it, especially if you're very fair or light like me. Okay, so back to Ipsy before I had to run and open the door for my UPS guy. That was hilarious, priceless. I kind of forgot I had it on, so I opened the door and I think he screamed. So we left off with the brush. I was saying how I like the 3 colors on my Ipsy bag. I have a BB concealer. It's full coverage concealer, and I've never heard of this brand, but it's good old Yensa. I think it smells good in here. Oh, this brand I'm into. Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. It's good for de-stressing and something else. What does it say? Soothe and de-stress. This is probably what smells really good. The next one is Pure Brazilian. This is probably going to be for, yep, it's for your hair. So Pure Brazilian Serum for my hair. It's a leave-in treatment and it's an anti-frizz product. So this is pretty good. And oh, how cute. I got the H2O gloss from Tarte. Hope you guys can see it. There's so much reflection there. That's gonna be cute. I like Tarte. I'm into Tarte recently. But yeah, I still do Ipsy. Go ahead and comment down below. Tell me whether you're still doing Ipsy. I know a lot of you switched to other subscriptions. I'm still doing Ipsy. I just can't beat it for the price. The items are small and I get to keep them basically anywhere. I really hope you liked the recipe for skincare. Don't forget, one is just plain old coffee with water, and that's going to add some glow to your skin. And the other is adding some coconut oil to the coffee with a little bit of water, and that too will add some color to your skin, but it exfoliates, leaves your skin really smooth. Coconut is so beneficial for your skin as well. It will hydrate. It has a lot of antimicrobial properties. So hope you like that recipe. Be sure to try it out, especially now for the summer where we like to look nice and tan and we don't want that sun damage. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Be safe. And until the next one, don't forget to hit the subscribe. Right there. Maybe right there, but it should be somewhere in there. Give it a thumbs up. Bye.